Today we're in Dad's classroom and we're going to be doing whiteboard art.
Awesome. So, the challenge today, it's more like a challenge than it is a drawing lesson. So, the kids are going to have a theme, which is, of course, back to school theme.
Yep.
And they're each going to draw something back to school related on the board. And we're not really going to have a winner or a loser per se. It's just going to be an overall let's do it type of challenge.
Yeah, just
Okay.
see what we draw.
See what you come up with, okay? On your mark, get set, go!
I'm hungry. I think I know what to draw. I think I know what to draw.
Odin, where are you drawing? I think you're drawing over here. What's the matter, buddy?
My arm is tired. I'm tired. I'm also nuts.
Gotta color. Just color the apple part.
I can speed double art. Speed double art? Yep. Here we go. Come on, color. Come on, color. Work with me. Here's the reason why I'm coloring over my smile. Because, one, I'm gonna draw it over the red. Two, I'm very tired, so I'm just going fast. And three, because just want to get home.
Is that a laptop up there? What is that thing? Is that a box of blueberries? Odin? What are you doing? A box of blueberries?
Okay, so I drew a notebook with art because it's my favorite subject, and a pencil, and then I just wrote back to school. The pencil was kind of like an extra thing, and so was the back to school. So, but yeah, I like it.
Looks really good. Odin, what'd you do?
I draw a big apple on a swing eating some blueberries.
An apple on a swing eating blueberries. That's so cool.
Wow.
He's going back to school. And Landon, what did you draw?
I drew a backpack.
You drew a really cool backpack. Love the coloring on that backpack. Nice job to all of you. What a cool way to say back to school. So there's our back to school drawings. Hopefully you drew along with these guys. Until we see you next time, keep drawing. Stay awesome. Have fun. Bye.